welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're doing a summer mocktail video. I know this is super late in the season. I really wanted to do it earlier, but as most of you that typically watch my channel know, I had to go out of town for an entire month to take care of my mom, and I just unfortunately couldn't film while I was there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today. I have 3 new ones I've never made before. I will say one of them I did forget an ingredient, but I made it anyway. And then the 4th one that I'm putting in here is actually last year's favorite, the one that my friends and I all just absolutely loved and made on repeat. I thought it would be good to go ahead and share that one again. Yeah. As always, I will link all the recipes for the drinks down below if you want to make them the correct way. Some of them I had to kind of restructure the recipes a little bit to make it work for either a single glass or more. So the first mocktail is a lemon blueberry one. For this you'll need some lemons, some blueberries, fresh lemon juice, a shaker bottle, blueberry syrup, and then it did say lemon sparkling water. I like if I was LaCroix. So you're going to start by mixing up the blueberry and the fresh lemon juice in the shaker bottle, and it was equal parts. So after shaking up the lemon juice and blueberry simple syrup, you're going to pour this over ice. And then you just top it off with your lemon sparkling water. In this case, it was the LaCroix. And then lastly, you're going to garnish with a lemon wedge or a lemon slice and some fresh blueberries on top. This was a very refreshing mocktail, not overly sweet. It was definitely a little more on the tart side. The second one was a Mai Tai Mocktail. This one was a bit more involved. For garnish, you needed an orange, lemon wedge, some maraschino cherries, fresh lime juice, almond, simple syrup, seltzer water, orange juice, grenadine, and pineapple juice. And this one was a little bit easier because you just mixed it all up in a glass, so it combined all of your ingredients. Once it was all combined, you go ahead and add some ice to top it off. Probably could have done this in the shaker bottle or a separate glass and then poured it in, but this is just the way I did it. And then you put your garnish on top. This one was outstanding, definitely sweeter because there's a lot of different variations of juice in it, but it was really good.
Oh baby, look at you when you walk in.
And the third one, which was last year's fan favorite, we are making the watermelon margarita. This one I did not even measure it out because I am so used to making it, but basically for the garnish you're going to want a lime wedge and then a piece of lime to go around the edge to kind of make it wet, and then you're going to mix it into some coarse salt and tahini.
Of your dance. I tell my friends, oh, those poor men, like, you go leaving them broken hearted, eat them up like you've been starving. What? You can't get enough. No. Oh baby, look at you. The way you say.
Once you're done salting the rim, you're going to add ice to your cup. Pour in your watermelon juice. This you pretty much want to fill the majority of the way to the top almost. And then you're just going to add a little bit of fresh squeezed lime juice and a little bit of blue agave. And then you just stir that up. And then lastly, you're going to add your lime wedge to the edge, or lime slice. And this one is so good, it tastes like a Jolly Rancher minus all the sugar. The last drink was the Blue Hawaiian. This one also had a lot of ingredients and I did miss one. But you're going to need an orange slice for garnish, some orange like peels, lemon juice, blue Curaçao, real coconut or cream of coconut, pineapple juice, an olipop, orange juice, and the part I forgot was coconut water. And for this one, you're basically going to put all your ingredients into the shaker bottle and shake it up except for the olipop. And yes, I did forget to put ice in the shaker bottle. Once you're done shaking it up, we're gonna put it in a glass that's already been filled with ice, top it with your olipop, and then you would add your garnishes. Now, I don't know how these people made these and got blue, because these definitely did not come out blue, so I had to add more of the Curaçao to it. But the drink wasn't a total fail. It definitely probably would have been better if I had the coconut water, but it was still really good. Let me know if you try making any of these mocktails, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.